Hello, isang magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. I would like to show you the latest Powerhouse Mini. So this is the 125 OCPH Powerhouse Mini. Ito po yung BMS niya, hindi po siya fully charged. But the reason why I want to show you this Mini, this OCPH Powerhouse Mini has a built-in inverter. Meron na po siyang outlet sa sides niya, and it is now running this Hycon ice maker. So diretso na po siya naka-plug. Ang inverter po ay built-in na nasa loob na ng unit. This is a 1 kilowatt pure sine wave 60 Hz inverter na nandoon na po sa loob. So as you can see, this is running this ice maker. There you go. So again, this is the OCPH Powerhouse Mini with a built-in inverter.